TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine stands as an industry benchmark, excelling in sectors like oil and gas, nuclear energy, chemical production, pharmaceuticals, aerospace, and food manufacturing. Today, let's dive into its role in aerospace pipeline welding. In aerospace engineering, where precision and reliability are paramount, the TATE machine delivers high-accuracy welds that meet the strictest safety and performance standards. From fuel delivery systems to hydraulic lines, the machine ensures leak-proof and durable connections that can withstand extreme conditions such as high temperatures and pressures. Its automated orbital technology allows for consistent quality across various materials, including titanium, aluminum, and advanced alloys. This capability ensures that aerospace components meet the demands of modern aviation and space exploration. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, offering OEM and ODM services to match your specific needs. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share.